welcome back to my channel. Let me just make sure I got no lipstick on my teeth. Child, hold on. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay, so today is another wig video. If you are new to my channel, I'm just letting you know right now, I have a lot of playlists, and I want to stress that a lot because if you're looking for a specific thing, as far as a specific wig, a specific color, a specific topic, I created a playlist that will show you everything you need. I have a playlist that will take you wherever you want to go. If you're looking for a long synthetic wig that is like 40 inches or more, or you saw one and you want to buy it but you want to see a review first, I may have reviewed it, so you want to click on that playlist and it'll take you to all the wigs that I reviewed that are long synthetic wigs, like different colors, different brands. So I just want to stress that. This is the wig that I am going to be trying on for you guys today. It is Kima Classic's signature lace wig, human hair and premium fiber. So it is synthetic, but it has like human hair fibers in it to make it look a little bit more human than synthetic. The Ultra HD lace. She's 42 inches. She's 42 inches and she has a 5x5 parting. 42 inches. It's not the longest I've ever done. The longest I've done was 65. You guys know that. If you are new and you're like 65 honey, 65. I got my package, like I said, from HAIRSTOP&SHOP. They also sent me this ankle bracelet from ESHA. I don't know if you guys knew, but ESHA sells ankle bracelets. I didn't know that. Until I opened the box, it was like, ooh, ankle bracelets. So that was nice of them to add a little gift in my box with my purchase. And this is not a collab video. I actually purchased this with my own money. So, ooh, okay. So she's all like, okay, I'm just gonna have to like get my scissors and cut her open, you guys, because, let's see. Oh, she is so long that she is like, they really got her in here really well. Okay. Oh, okay. Wigs dark. This is her. Oh my goodness, she is really long. Look at the ends of it. Oh my gosh. Look at this, child. This is pretty. Ooh. Okay, the lace is already like tinted a nice brown, but I want to tint it a little bit more just to make sure that it's okay. So today I'm going to be using Wigstention's lace tint spray in golden. This is how it looks. One of the, few lace tint sprays that I use is the Eben, and I use the Wigstention one. So yeah, so you can see the part. It's all right there. It's 5 inches around the hairline, and I'm just going to shake this up and spray it, and also spray in that part area. You can see now it's a little bit darker, and I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to dry it because this spray, it's very messy, so you have to dry it because it's really wet. Dry, and yeah, this wig is going to be super easy to install. It's not going to be a long video at all because it's just a little bit of lace. Okay, so you guys know I don't really wear wig caps with my wigs because my hair is like, I don't know, I just don't really wear wig caps. I mean, I haven't done the wig cap method yet, so I'm just going to take off my money scarf, and you guys are going to see my braids. They look crazy. I know, I got to get it rebraided. I get my hair rebraided like every 2 weeks, wash it, and then I get it rebraided because it's natural and I'm trying to grow it. So yeah. Okay, so let's just put on this wig and see how it looks. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ooh, okay. All right, and it comes with baby hairs. It seems like I see some baby hairs up there, child. I'm not a huge fan of the curl pattern. I thought it was like a wavy, maybe, I don't know. On the packaging, it looks like this, and it's giving this, you know, it's giving S curl. It's not really giving like wave, but let's just see what we're dealing with here. Okay, now, first things first, I'm just gonna clip up this hair so I could just cut the lace and see what we're dealing with here. The lace, I'm gonna just put the lace up like this. And I'm gonna use my ESHA's glueless lace spray because I don't want to use glue and it's not really, you know, so I'm just gonna use this spray. But let's see if I can. Just kind of putting a brush to it, if that makes sense, or just using my fingers to kind of finger comb it because it's a little bit too fresh for my liking. Like it's freshly, you know, curled. So just doing that. Put my fingers through it. The final look. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I guess looking at the wig online, it looked like gorgeous. I'm not a fan. I mean, you guys gotta let me know what you think. I just don't like the fact that it's kind of straight right here and then it gets wavy. Like, I like, if it's gonna be wavy, can it be wavy from the root? Like, it needs to be wavy from here and not wavy just in this area, because that's what makes it look weird. I'm not too fond of like the curl pattern. I mean, now I did finger comb it a little bit more because it was looking very stiff and like very like I said, S curls, not waves. So I don't know if it's giving waves, but it's still, some of the curls are still bothering me. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm like a huge fan of this wig that I purchased. Now I can't see the back. I don't know how the back looks. I don't know if there's track showing. I don't know, but this is how it looks from the back. See me? I am blurry, but look, that's how long she is. Okay. If you want to see more, you have to follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm going to really show off the wig. You don't even have to follow me. I don't care. You can just go on my Instagram, Miss Chrissy J, and I'll be showing it. Looks, you can see it way better on Instagram how curly it is, how long it is. It's not a bad wig. It's just I don't really like the curl pattern. And this bucket hat. Yeah, I would add this bucket hat. like that. Just to, you know, give it a look. You know, am I serving a look? Y'all, let me know if I'm serving a look. I think it's cute. It's okay. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of it. Luckily, it wasn't that expensive. I'll link everything below. I'm a huge fan, but I like the color. I semi like the texture. I love the length. You guys know I love long, extra dramatic things, so love the length. I'm just not a fan of the curls, you know, and that's why I guess I'm trying to separate them a little bit more so it doesn't look super like wiggy and curly. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I have more wig videos coming up, exciting ones for Valentine's Day. So my ladies, if you're going out with your man for Valentine's Day, please stay tuned, because I have 2 beautiful Valentine's Day wigs to show you guys coming soon. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button if you are not, and let me know what you guys think below about this wig. Let me take off the hat so you guys can get the full experience of her. Yeah, but that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. But until then, keep slaying.